If you want a guy to chase you, it comes down to more than how you look. It is about how you conduct yourself when you're with him. Of course, we all know that you aren't going to jump into the sack once you get together. That's way too easy. You've got to play the game and enjoy yourself first. Take control of the situation. He obviously wants to get into bed with you. But what will happen after? He'll simply view you as an easy contest and will just use you for that reason. Or once seeing that you gave in so easily, avoid you altogether, as he already got what he wanted without much fun in trying. The chase is what makes a man hungry for you. When he's aware that there is someone out there that wants him but isn't so easily available, it will make him want to pursue you even more than before. He will continue to play this game until he wins. But in doing so, there is where you need to shine, personality-wise. You're a clever woman, you know what's going on, and you know that you always need to be one step ahead of him. Just because you know what game you're playing doesn't mean that he needs to know. So keep this to yourself. Let him see what he's missing, and let him become eager for a taste. But don't give it to him on a silver platter. Be patient and work your charm magically. Be in control of this situation. You don't want to give in without a bit of a chase, do you? This may take a bit of time, but don't get slowed down by your game and keep the momentum lively by making him want more of you in his life. The idea of the game is to avoid becoming transparent, meaning having some fun with this, and don't let him see that you aren't fazed by the antics. Yes, this game is fun, but remember to always remain true to yourself. The last thing you want to do is create a false picture of yourself, and then the minute you drop the act, he'll be running for the hills. There's always a bit of work with any game, but you must persevere if you want to keep things meaningful between the two of you, and not just a quick jump into the bedroom. You don't want a man who is only chasing you for sex, rather than getting a man who wants a relationship with you as well. Finding that balance is going to take a bit of work, time, and all the right moves. No one is saying you can't have sex early on, though too early kills the momentum of the chase. But if you do, you owe it to yourself to keep things interesting to avoid the aforementioned running for the hills. You still have to hold his interest and keep planting the seeds of you being an intelligent, loving, caring, compassionate, and driven woman. He would be crazy not to want that. Part of a good chase is setting the bait and being patient. Keep him at arm's length in the beginning, and then slowly begin to shorten the distance as time moves on, and you begin to know each other more. And before you know it, you'll have someone by your side who longs to know more about you, will hang on your every word, and will keep coming back for more. The fastest way to start the chase is with a series of text messages that are sure to make any man shake with instant obsession. Amy North is a world-renowned expert in the art of seduction via text. Her best-selling ebook, Text Chemistry, is currently on sale. Click the link below to read how to make any man chase you through just one single text.